Before I start the video, I just want to say, please watch part 0 so you wouldn't really get anything. So part 0 on COLL would be in the top right now. And also, the second announcement is, this basically is just an extension of JPM COLL video. I recommend learning his algorithms from there, but if you kind of don't really get it, I mean, there's always my video as well. So yeah, again, in the top right now, maybe, JPM's video will be right there. But anyway, let's go to the video. Hey guys, today we're going to look at part 1 on COLL. Part 1 on COLL will feature the U-shaped cases, which look like this. Please check out part 0 if you don't know what COLL is. It would really help with the tutorial. So if you know 2-look OLL, you would know that this U-shaped case is R2, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime push, R prime, U2, R prime. And whenever you have a U case, you always want to have the headlights on the back to recognize. Later on you can recognize it even if you have it in this orientation or this orientation, but for now we're just going to learn how to do it like this. So in this case, you got a blue diagonal here on the back right and a diagonal on the front left. By the way, the other diagonal, they have to be different colors. And whenever you locate that, all you gotta do is a U2 and do the regular U-shape algorithm. So this is the next U-shape case. In this case, we have the headlights on the back again. And now, the diagonals, which are the same, are this way. Last time it was this way. This time it's this way. And when you have that case, you're just going to do the backwards version of the regular U-shape algorithm. And if you don't know it, it's pretty easy to memorize. So R2, D prime push, R, U2, R prime, D, R, U2, R. Very similar to the original U-shape algorithm. Whenever you have the case that these two front corners are the same, these two back corners are different, you want to do back soon. So the back soon is basically doing the soon from the back. So R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime. R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. And then you just got a regular soon. And you should have a PL skip, a U perm, a Z perm, or a H perm. In this case, you got two back corners are the same, two front corners are the same, and you just do a R prime, then do the Y perm. Easy to memorize algorithm, and then you do an R at the end. Whenever you get a diagonal here and a diagonal here, you want to do this algorithm, and it's kind of like a, edited Y perm. So here's the algorithm. So first do a F using your thumb like this, and then you just keep on going. And a bit faster. And finally, this case. So in this case, we got the back corners the same, the front corners are different. And what you want to do here is a bit of an extension to the back regular algorithm. So you do the R2 D prime just as normal. And you just do an R, U, R prime, and then do a D. And then you do R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R. And it's pretty easy to memorize again. Again, the U-shaped cases are really easy to memorize. As you can see, most of them just extensions to different algorithms or edited versions of the algorithm. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you learnt your COLLs if you're watching this video in order to learn the COLLs. I just did the wrong. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see ya!